Yo, what's up guys, Razor here, welcome to new video on my channel. Today I'm recording Keydrop 800 on my balance. Before I start, don't forget to use my promo code Razor affiliate. Click on top right corner add fonts. In the promo code box enter my promo code Razor affiliate and just click apply. 10% bonus at every deposit and 50 cents for new users. Also on Keydrop you can check major event, you can join, you can find major event cases, you can find case battle, you can find limited edition cases, YouTuber cases, you can upgrade your skins, you can do contracts and more. If you're looking for free gold, click on free gold section, scroll down and you can find easy steps to claim free gold. So you can join on Discord Keydrop server, you can follow Keydrop on Twitter, you can follow Keydrop on Instagram and more. Just scroll down to find all steps. I got 18k, so let's try to open this one, Diamond Sky case. Two of them I can open, so let's see. Okay, $7. Okay, that's not bad. Let's sell. Let's try with case battle maybe. Also guys, you can join on free case battles on Keydrop. Just find the icon free and click join the battle. So let me see, I will create my own case battle. Okay, let me see. This one. Okay, come on, join it. Come on, wish me luck, guys. First one case. Okay, $17. I needed $2. Come on. This one. 24 is 30. Come on, do it, please. Two more case, no way. Unlucky first one. Unlucky first one case battle, I think. Yeah. So unlucky. Congrats, Kuman. Okay, let's create same case battle. Okay, let's see this one. Imagine Dr. Gut Knife, guys. Come on, broski, please. Tiger 2 Bayonet so close, please. Come on. No, unlucky again. Okay, let's try to open major cases. This one, lurker case. 3 of them. So let's see. 5, let's try again. Okay, 3 more. Come on. Okay, I will try to upgrade. Let's try with upgrade maybe. $20. Let's try to hit 2x. AK Alcimo. Okay, come on. Unlucky this one. Let's join this one. $32 case battle. 17 cases.
Two hours later.
Okay, 3 more cases left. Come on, dude. He lead with 25, so let's see. Please. I need one win. one win. Come on, last one. Oh, unlucky, unlucky. Okay, let's try with knife battle. Let's try with this one. $150 case battle, knife battle. So let's see. Waiting for player to join. Okay, let's try with bot maybe. Bot Lepage, come on. Profit here, please, dude, please. No way. No way, left, please, be left. Okay, I'm winner. 2 knives, that's not bad. That's not bad. Okay, let's try with battle. Let's join this one, 31, 8 cases. Okay, first one, not bad. Come on, dude. Come on. One more, okay. Just keep, just keep. Oh my gosh. Don't be there, please. Four more cases, come on. This one's so bad. 3 more. Okay, okay. That's nice, that's nice. $14. Come on. Last one. Please. Please. Okay, I win, guys. Okay, I win. Let's try with upgrade maybe now. Let's try with AK skins. 32. Let's try to hit 5x maybe. For this one, AK, okay. Come on. Stop, 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 stop. Oh, so close. So close, this one. Okay, let's try. Okay, battle. Let's create case battle. Try with this one, 2 of them. Okay, let's create. Waiting for player. Okay, let's try with bot again. Come on, bot Lepage. Oh my gosh, no way, 113 AK Vulcan. Please, last one. Please, come back, bro. Unlucky, unlucky. Okay, let's try. Case opening, maybe YouTuber cases. This one, maybe. Try 5 of them. Come on. Okay, 3.96. 5 more. Oh my gosh, imagine 8k serpent, guys. Okay, 3 more. Come on, dude. Okay, let's try contracts, all skins. Okay, AK blue laminate, $11. That's not bad. Guys, my level is 100, so I can open maybe some cases here. Let me check. Okay, I can open smoker case free. I got this one, shotgun. Okay, open this one free. Let me see. Okay, let's open this one. No way, no way, it's so bad. Let's try with upgrade maybe. Come on, 2x. Looking for 2x. Okay, driver goes, please, dude. Okay, I got it. I got it. That's not bad. $100 glows. Not bad. 2 knives and $100 glows. Okay, guys. Top right corner, add founds. In a promo code box, enter my promo code Razor affiliate and just click apply. Free 10% bonus at every deposit and 50 cents for new users. On left side you can check how to deposit. You can pay with Visa, you can pay with crypto, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum and more. You can pay with gift card, you can pay by CSGO skins and more. So not bad today. I got gloves, I got 2 knives on Keydrop. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye.